To automate Authorize NetCIM integration, you need to understand the basics of the customer information manager system and how it works with your e-commerce platform. The first step is to create an Authorize Net account and enable the CIM feature. This will provide you with an API login ID and transaction key, which are necessary for integration. Next, you need to choose a programming language and development environment to use for the integration. Authorize Net provides APIs for various languages including Java, PHP, and Python. Download the relevant API library and import it into your project. The key concept in CIM integration is the customer profile, which stores sensitive customer information such as credit card numbers and addresses. To create a customer profile, you need to send a request to the Authorize Net API with the customer's information. The API will then return a customer profile ID, which can be used for future transactions. To automate the integration, you can use webhooks to notify your application of events such as successful payments or failed transactions. You can also use scheduled tasks to automate recurring payments and subscriptions. Best practices for automating Authorize NetCIM integration include using secure protocols such as HTTPS and encrypting sensitive customer information. You should also implement error handling and logging to ensure that any issues are detected and resolved quickly. In terms of practical examples, you can use the Authorize Net API to create a customer profile and then use the customer profile ID to charge the customer's credit card. You can also use the API to retrieve a list of customer profiles and update or delete existing profiles. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully automate Authorize NetCIM integration and streamline your e-commerce platform's payment processing. This will save you time and reduce the risk of errors and security breaches.